around, holding their emotions in the face of banners.
Well, Sikandar, some requests take ages and others are fulfilled in a matter of moments. And you just had one. So it's Faisal Akram coming on now. Somebody who's rated very highly, left arm Chinaman, and he's pretty deceptive. Has a good googly and also does get a bit of spin on the ball. Something which we do not frequently see with the modern spinners. His stats: 22 matches, 28 wickets, and economy rate of under 6, which is impressive. List A career at the age of 21, so pretty young.
Saw him playing under 19 and a little before that in the PJL as well. Shot will earn him a couple. Good running there. Call was from Babar Azam. He was running to that danger end. And you expect a player, we talk about Faisal Akram, get that build going in the growing age, get a stronger wrist. He looks bigger than what we
team. There are potential match winners. This was well bowled. Driven down for a single by Shan, who moves to 40. And both of these batters need to play long innings to help themselves and to also build a platform for the team. We saw how Rizwan and Kamran Ghulam played last night and the sort of platform they provided for players like Iftikhar and Samar to come in and blast straight away. And this is something that Allied Bank Stallions would be looking to do and to repeat.
We talked about this. Wonder why Pakistan have never found a left-arm wrist spinner. Never played for Pakistan. Right now you have some in the circuit, Sufyan Mukim, Faisal Akram and Momin Qamar, the young lad. That's the mentor, Shoaib Malik, for the team. But left-arm wrist spinner is a rarity. Oh, yes.
Some turn and very delightful to see that there is some air being given by Faisal. Not many spinners dare to flight the ball these days, and that too bowling to the current Pakistan captains. And on your screens you just saw young Ubaid Shah. That is again well bowled, operating in good areas. I would like to see a slip for Faisal over here. He's bowling in the right areas.
Partnership 66 for 1 after 14.
The time for revolution is now. Inverex Powerwall Lithium Solar Battery, a product of Inverex Solar Energy.
Time to spin some web from the bowling side, and two left-arm spinners from both the ends. One wrist spinner, one finger spinner. Khushdil Shah, who has been a useful bowler for his respective teams, but depends that how he's going to feature against the best of the lot. Expectant crowd in Faisalabad. Just one boundary by Babar Azam so far. Off the back foot, played in the gap, and just one bounce over the boundary rope for 4 runs, making full use of the width offered. Paid the price, Khushdil Shah.
Way too easy for the king. You just cannot bowl this length to Babar. He will hit you for fun. Never look at that. Picking up the length beautifully. He exactly knew where the fielders are. Played it right there and got the boundary.
Yeah, so this is what matters for Babar Azam, that how he's going to use his feet, especially against these spinners. And if he's going to put them in the back foot, then this partnership is going to matter. Good comeback by Khushdil Shah.
And the benefit is that this format suits Babar Azam. He can take his time. There is no hurry. Shan Masood is over that rusty part he had early on in his inning. He's looking good now, looking in better rhythm. So that will give a lot of confidence to Babar Azam and a little bit of time too, where he can settle himself and then unleash in the end. Something that Kamran Ghulam did yesterday. Similar sort of inning is required. Shan Masood, he had some early scares. He was rusty to start off the inning. But he's settled himself now. Looking really good, middling now. That's very important. A big inning is due on Shan Masood.
Yeah, more width offered on the onside. One hallmark of Khushdil Shah is that he doesn't allow any sigh of relief to the batters. Very quickly go through his bowling and allow no time for the batsman to think about how he's going to react to the next delivery. But if you're going to score a boundary in the very first ball of the over, then you are going to dictate the terms. So this has been the name of the game for Babar Azam in this over so far. Already into his double figures, 2 boundaries under his belt.
Lions definitely have some questions to answer as far as bowling is concerned. They're playing with only one specialist spinner, that is Faisal Akram. Khushdil Shah is a part-timer, and we know that bowling first is not easy in this heat. Already seen the marksman Amir Yamin had to go out. So once he doesn't come back, then Khushdil Shah will have to bowl more overs. Oh, that's good fielding. That is what you want to see. Some energy. Amir Yamin is back in the field. That's good sign. It's the end of the over. 15 done. 73 for 1. What a huge opportunity this one is for Faisal Akram. Bowling to one of the best, not just in Pakistan, but in the world.